my goddesses. So to start today, we're going to be doing our eyeshadow, the transitioning color in blue. It's going to be from MyoMakeup Cosmetics. I love their cosmetics. It's so pigmented and the colors just pop so well. Okay, so the color that we're going to be using to blend out the blue, it's going to be the Funki by Be Perfect's Carnival X Pro palette by Stacey Marie. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly. Now I'll be using the color The Hype to go in the outer corner color with the green. The next color I'll be using is the same color Funki in pink. In the inner corner of the eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Keen color, that's the yellow. Okay, so for the liner, I did go ahead and mix in the MyoMakeup's color, the blue color, with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I mixed it together to give it a liquid consistency because this is a loose powder. And I'm going to go ahead and make my eyeliner for the blue. Now to line the crease, I'm going to be using the NYX White Liquid Eyeliner. I did mess up a little bit because the color does bleed off at the edge of the tip. So I learned to use the tip of the pen from now on, but I did go ahead and fix it. So I am going back in with the MyoMakeup's Blue Loose Powder eyeshadow color because it did lose its color when I mixed it with the setting spray to get it to its liquid consistency. So I just went back ahead with the actual loose eyeshadow to give it back that popping color. Now I'll be going into each section of the 3 eye colors and adding the NYX Glitter Primer glue on there. And then I'll be adding a green, pink, and yellow glitter that I did find at like Walmart for like $3. And I'll be putting it in each section of the eyes. Now I'm going right back in with the NYX liquid eyeliner in the white to do the top liner of the blue liner color that I did. And I did zoom in so you can see really like exactly where I'm putting the white liner. Now to prime my face, I'm going in with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Okay, so now to contour my face, I'm not going to be putting foundation all over my face. I'm just going to be putting it in the remaining areas after I conceal and contour. I'm going to be using LA Girls Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and Medium Beige. The contour color that I'm using for around my face and my cheekbones is a matte concealer in NW55. And the foundation I use is Revlon's Colorstay foundation for dry skin in Caramel 400. So I'll be using now the Airspun loose face powder to go in and set in my face. I don't bake really, I just kind of like set it into my skin so I don't have any like harsh flashback. Now to contour, I'll be using the Black Radiance 2 Complexion palette in medium to dark. I also do the middle color as well from the palette to go ahead and set my face into its natural color. The blush I'm going to be using is the Fit Me blush in Berry Baie. Now for my highlight, I'm going to use my favorite highlighter, the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt palette in Stone Cold. I absolutely love this color. I do it every look. Honestly, it's hard to really like change my highlighter for right now, so we're going to be sticking with her for like a good little minute. So the lip liner that I use is a NYX lip liner in brown. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. And then I'm going to also go in with the NYX lingerie color in Confident. Alright, to finish it, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Light Pink. Now to line the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to go in with the NYX white eyeliner. I'm going to go back into the Perfect Carnival palette and with the color Funky to line the bottom of my eyes. Alright, so the mascara that I'm going to be using is the Revlon's All-in-One Mascara. I will be doing my eyelashes off camera. I do have a how to put on eyelashes the easy way tutorial on my page if you want to go check that one out. I'm going to also go get ready and I'll be back. Alright, my goddesses, so this is the final look. I absolutely love this blue rainbow cut crease color. I absolutely adore it. I think I did a really good job on it. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.